Command's Army, stand up. Keep fighting for that positivity, you guys. Everyone, welcome. My name is DanCBearded. You call me the trusted teacher. And when you guys are watching this video, the Command family will be arriving in Florida for our Disney vacation, our anticipated vacation of our life. I've never been there, and we are so excited to take the family. And from the Command family, we would like to say thank you guys for helping us make this possible. And we are so excited. Next week for this vacation, we're going to not have any videos posted because I most importantly want to focus on my family and that experience. We will be making a vlog to be able to share with you guys afterwards, and as long as everything goes according to plan, I will have my Monday night Command's Corner because the boys will be by far asleep and passed out by then. But we are so pumped for this. One thing that comes along with a vacation though is you have to be able to prioritize and pack your beard products. I have a mountains load of beard products and tools and everything you could imagine, and we are going on a pretty decently long trip. We're going to be going for 7 nights in different hotels and resorts. A hotel on the way down, 5 nights at Disney, and a hotel on the way back. I have to figure out what I'm going to do. Balm, butter, wash, co-wash. What in the world am I going to pack that makes sense for this trip? I actually have a method and perspective that I think will help you guys out. And I'm going to show you exactly what I am going to do, literally what I will have with me on the trip, and then give you some food for thought on how you guys should approach your next business trip, family vacation, or whatever it may be. So if you are interested in that, please make sure you're subscribed for me. Thank you guys. And then let's watch the intro and get into the content. Days, 7 nights. How am I going to keep this beautiful beard healthy, smelling great, looking great? All I'm bringing for that entire trip, 7 nights in a hotel, is right here. Literally these 2 tools and everything inside this small packing case. And I'm going to break it down on why I made my selections and how I made them and show you exactly what I have. So first off, I am only bringing for the combing devices my Beard Octane Oxhorn comb. Why? It's very firm, very strong and sturdy, and it's going to last during the trip. And I'm not super uber worried about having fine styling and detail that I get from my Kent comb. So this is going to be my go-to and literally the only one I pack. And then I'm going to also have my Beard Octane Boar's Hair Bristle Brush. Why? Because I've packed it on every water polo trip, every vacation. It's lasted the entire way. It has small boar's hairs here, so it's not going to get deformed or mushed into a bag. Really good. All I'm going to do is throw these into my duffel bag and leave it like this. I don't need a bag. I don't need to pack anything. It'll probably go in a little front zipper and stay in there really nice. Everything else, literally right here. I will not have another beard product or anything touch my beard that is not in this case. This is another Beard Octane case here. It's the only one that I've ever had, and this is a, I believe, neoprene case. It's got nice little cushioning on the outside to protect everything in here. And I've never tried another travel bag, mainly because this one I've used for over a year now has absolutely been wonderful. Truly wonderful. Nice zipper here. And let's see what inside that I have. First thing is, I am only bringing 3 oils. 3 oils. For me, that's crazy, right? I don't wear back-to-back oils, but it's only 8 days. I got morning and night to apply oil, and this is what I'm going to roll with. First thing that I'm bringing is Uncle Donnie's Vanilla Orchard Oil. Main reason why, the only butter or balm type substance wax that I'm bringing is Uncle Donnie's Vanilla Orchard Butter. The oil, because it's matching, of course, but Uncle Donnie's oil has nice castor oil content in there, and so it's going to be a thicker, nice styling oil on the days where we're going to go to a sit-down dinner, on a beard meetup when I want the beard looking on point, when I don't have all of my tools to use. And then the beard butter, because I love the scent of Vanilla Orchard. This is an extremely fresh, locally sourced beard butter, and it's going to do amazing things. I will wear this every single night of the trip, and even on days when it's a windy day and I'm not super concerned with style, I'm going to throw in the beard butter. So those 2 are my first ones. Uncle Donnie's Vanilla Orchard Oil and Butter. Another thing that I really like is this is a really good size 2-ounce beard butter. I have some other beard butters that the shape doesn't fit as well for this. If I can keep that in there nice and easy, this fits really, really well. And then my other two oils. I am going to bring Downshift and I'm going to bring Citrafella. The main two reasons there, these are very calm, very easy, non-divisive or divisive type scents, meaning I'm going to like them every day. I have some scents that I love in small amounts. I'll wear it once a month and I'll be obsessed with it, but I can't wear it every day. I could literally wear Citrafella every single day of my life and not get sick of it. I could wear Downshift every night of my life and not get sick of it, and I can wear it during the day. These are ones that are not going to offend anyone, and I will love them. So that's my easy picks there. They're not super strong, they're not abrasive, they're nice and calm. I would recommend those types of scents for you on a trip. The last thing you want to do is have an aggressive, strong scent that you're going to get sick of. Hey, you're attached to it for the rest of that trip. And then the very last thing that I'm going to have in here, and it fits seriously perfect like it was made for it, is you got to clean your beard. Are you going to bring beard wash? Are you going to bring beard co-wash? This is 8 days. I need to wash my beard in that time. I know a lot of you are huge on co-washing, which I am as well. But in an 8-day period for me, someone that's going to be in hot Florida, sweating, I need a good wash. But I also want to condition. I'm going with Beard Octane LCW. If you noticed, I closed the top on here. This will make it perfect for storing for travel. Nothing's going to come out and wreck this. I might put it in a bag just in case it spins the top and comes open. But it fits in this case perfectly. That had a part in this. And I'm going with neutral. The scents don't really conflict with the Downshift that I have, but I just want to be safe. I just want to have the cleaning properties. When you're on a trip, you're not the most concerned about your beard. You should be concerned about the trip, but you want to take care of it. If I'm using LCW, an amazing beard oil, and an awesome beard butter, my beard is going to be okay. And then when I get back home, I can get back into all the other products that I love, and they will all fit inside of this carrying case that I can pack super easily. That's pretty rare to be able to have all of these things inside of such a small case, and it's going to cover me for my 8 days. This, you guys, is special. And all of these, I'll put links down below for you guys to check them out if you want. A lot of you probably have a case that works for you, rock on, or you have those soft, subtle scents that work for you, rock on. That is huge there. So for me, think about things that will be able to be packed with less. LCW covers a wash and a co-wash. The beard butter covers a balm and a wax. If you notice, I don't have any balms or waxes in there. And then the tools do everything that I need in just 2 tools. That is key. You gotta be able to consolidate. You gotta have a small amount. That's what I'm going with there. And I know it's gonna be safe with this neoprene carrying case. So question to leave you guys with, what'd you think about that? Anything you're surprised about? And then also, do you have any tips or tricks on your trips? Oh my goodness gracious, that's a tongue twister there. What do you do when you pack? Is there something that you have that's a life hack? What do you bring with you? What products are a must? Go ahead and name drop the products that you bring on your business trips, on your family vacations. I'm really interested to hear your guys' perspective on this because people will message me all the time, and I've recommended this carrying case to a few people like my buddy Chris Mack. I know he's loving it out there. So let me know, what do you do on your trips? Because ours is Disney. And again, thank you so much, you guys. We're going to try and make some posts and some different things on Instagram, but we really want to focus on our family and enjoying this time together and these memories. And then we'll be back with the channel better than ever. Keep bringing you guys the content, the reviews, the knowledge, all of that. So you guys, thank you one more time. Stay bearded and stay positive.